Welcome, dear viewers. Today, we are going to disseminate and have all problems that are associated with discounts solved. To start with, many people normally get challenges with the discounts. Now, a discount is simply a reduction in the original price of a commodity by the seller. Now, sellers normally have different reasons as to why they put a reduction from the original price of a commodity to what we're actually comfortable with as customers. A seller may want you to purchase items in large quantities. What this person will do will stimulate your urge of buying such that it is for his benefit, either buying on cash basis or installments at trade discounts will always be given or accepted to whoever is willing to buy in large quantities. Wherever someone tells you that we are selling one phone at 200,000 and 5 phones at 900,000, who of you won't opt for that chance if you actually wanted a phone? And that one was what we call actually a trade discount. Someone stimulates your urge to buy more items than you actually would have bought. In that sense, we say a discount has two types. One, a cash discount. Two, a trade discount. In brief, a trade discount refers to a reduction in the original price of a commodity by the seller such that the buyer buys in large quantities. That's what we call a trade discount. Let us have an example and see how it is treated practically. Now, come along with me. Say, if you have an example on that, say, if Noble bought 10 crates of soda at Uganda shillings 20,000 each. And then given a discount, in bracket, call it trade. Say this person given a discount. This particular, we're talking about a trade discount. Trade of, say, 10% of the total cost. Now, someone will ask you a question and say, part A, find or calculate, find how much discount. If Noble boat was given to Noble, here they want you to calculate and find how much did Noble receive as a reduction from the original cost of this soda. Two, someone may as well tell you, you know what? Don't just move. Tell us how much did Noble finally pay for the soda or for the 10 crates, for the 10 crates. Someone poses a question of this nature to you, but referring to a discount, we will say this is a reduction, but now we're talking about a reduction that is emphasizing if Noble was given a trade discount of 10% of the total cost of all of this, now how much discount did this person, Noble, receive? Come with me and see this. Now, in the solution, what we do first, we first get the total cost. Because remember, this person bought 10 crates. There were 10 crates of soda, but each crate was bought at 20. at 20,000. So we want to know how much money was paid in or was supposed to be paid in if Noble was not given a discount. So we say total cost of 10 crates will be, that is 10 crates times 20,000, which gives us Yogi X 200,000 for the 10 crates. An implication that if Noble had decided to buy without a discount, this person was supposed to pay 200,000. I'm very sure we are moving together. Now, after that, we now ask ourselves, what is the amount of the discount? But you're looking at the percentage given, the percentage discount given is 10 of the total cost. Now that we have the total cost with us, we can now find that the discount. To answer this part A, hope we're moving and following. So now, percentage discount, the percentage discount is 10%. 10%. Now, discount amount will equal to 10%, like they said, of the total cost, which is now 200,000. When you have this, these two zeros will cross off with those two zeros. And in this, you remain with 2 times 1, giving you 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, giving you 20,000. So therefore, the discount amount will equal to UGX 20,000. Specifically this. With this, you've calculated the amount of discount given to Noble, and that is part A. Now, if you want to answer part B, how much did Noble finally pay for the 10 crates? Remember, Noble was given a chance to have a reduction on the total cost that was supposed to pay, and this was 20,000. Now the question is, after knowing how much money was given to Noble as a reduction or as a discount, how much did finally this person Noble pay for the items? Then you go and answer that part B. How much Noble paid? How much paid? How much was paid? We get the total cost of the items minus the discount amount. Discount amount. When you have this, the total cost, Noble was meant to pay 200,000. However, this person was so lenient and good to him and gave him a discount of, according to what we've calculated, of 20,000. Now, what you do, the 20,000, you reduce it from what Noble was supposed to pay previously. If that one happens, what you remain with becomes the amount of money that Noble actually paid. So we say the total cost, we got it as 200,000 from here. Then we subtract off the discount amount, which is 20,000. We end up remaining with 180,000. So therefore, Noble finally paid UGX 180,000 shillings. In this sense, you've answered your question very well. So, we are going to have another video. That video is going to talk about particularly another type of discount, and that's what we call a cash discount and all its details. Let's enjoy